Do not touch my computer. Let me get our tickets. Granny scooter. Sit on it. Get you up on it. Go and dance, go and dance. Grab on the steering, see what you're driving.
Hey, Daddy, you said in the back.
No way. Right, okay.
Daddy, I'm actually gonna buy one.
Right, Izzy. Go. Left turn, right turn. Right, none of this.
Grab them.
Let's get out of here.
Bark. Daddy, use me.
No.
Daddy. I love one. Daddy, here.
Do you like that one? It's going to open it up. Oh, it's electric?
Yeah.
Deadly. That's even better.
That's your front trunk.
3, 2, 1.
Run.
Watch it!
Bang, bang, bang.
They're playing in silent mode. They're playing in mute. Whoa. Do you know what that there is?
Big suction thing.
It's a rock hammer.
Smaller suction thing.
That's the big rock breakers.
Suction thing.
Locked.
I'll-
Go and check that one.
I'll go check. No. Oh, yeah.
That's a bulldozer.
I'll go check this one.
Look, 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 look. Watch me putting his foot there, look. There's a step. Other foot first. Handrail. Careful.
It's probably locked.
Right, sit there and I get a picture.
Locked.
You sit up there beside Ivor, you stand beside Ivor.
Locked.
Right, look at me. And say cheese.
Sorry. Check it, Daddy.
Whoa. Where you going? Not light up there. Push it. Oh, you're so weak. Ooh, look at all the wires.
We can hot wire the thing.
Oh, no, you could. Right, let Ezra go first. You can go second. Go forward and back.
That's what's probably the start one.
Right, Ivor's turn. Be careful, Ivor. Will I push it and roll you up the road?
I'll be falling. So yes!
Look, it's Michelin Man.
Yes, yes, yes.
On your march, set, go!
Hey!
Did you steer, Nezzy? Go steer.
B.
Would you like a sticker? We give stickers out to great drivers.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
I'm not a good driver.
You're going to be the star.
As he loves stickers. Right, thank you. That's the video you taking it out. Right. Look at this. Ivor, no. Don't. Get that gravel off that. Right, 3, 2, 1.
Stop the lorry.
Get the spoon and try this. I'm recording you. You like apple and cinnamon? Try that one. You ready to put back your arms up? Well.
Yep.
Yuck or yup? That's a no for that one. Right, hold that, mate. Like that. Oh, the apple, the banana's munchy.
More like banana.
Yum. Oh, came off my foot last, that's the rest of it. There it is. What do you say? Thank you. Thank you, you saved me £4.
Hey Daddy, I bet you had your dad.
He's going, oh, he's using his own thing. Right as he threw.
One of these? Okay, so come over here. 3 shots.
Give me one, give me one. Miss.
Oh, our luck, there's one. Another one. Our luck. Last one. There we go. Oh,
Rebound, go again.
try one more. Yeah.
Yay!
On yourself.
Dude, you're a cockeyed. Oh, you won, you got 2. 1. Good shot. 2. 3. 4, 5. Yay! Stand back there and follow me having a go. Over there. Ready, ready? Is it a greyhound race, is it? Look, she's going to make a jug or something. Look, she made all them there, look. Super slimy.
Oh, it's very messy, so it is.
These are 2 messers, they would enjoy doing it.
You ever be interested in doing any classes?
They'd probably be a bit young for it.
What, yourself and the missus even? No?
Pardon?
Yourself and the missus?
Hardly get time to brush my teeth, in all honesty. Dude, is she making a cereal bowl for your Weetabix? It'll end up what, sorry?
It'll end up a cup.
crazy or what? You ready to watch? Where do you see this here? Where do you see this? Where do you see this? Whoa, they're gonna go so high. No way, boss. What do you think of that device? Look at the speed of them, look. Would you go in that? Boat, boss, I will be booking my ringer up if I was in that. They're crazy, they're crazy. What do you think? You want chocolate fudge and marshmallow? Which one? Which one? You want strawberries? Well, is it nice? Is it nice, is it?
Yeah.
Say, I love it. And I love it too. Cheaper than roller coasters. Eddie's eating strawberries. Are you licking this chocolate up with strawberries? Right, this way, let's go. Your first ever brand deal.
Suki is so yuki. And you're charming. Take that.
Right, the three amigos, we have had an awesome day in Balmoral Show. Did you have an awesome day, boss?
Yes, can you hold
Did you eat
it?
plenty of sweets?
Yes.
Did you get anything healthy? Yeah. No answer is the right answer because he didn't. Right, this is the end of it for this one. Peace. Say bye to the camera.
Bye now.